Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Dave's Cave. Today it's happening. We are showing you a video of my first engine going an entire lap of the track. The track is complete. It's not perfect, but it's joined both ends. We have connection. So let's check it out. In this video, something crazy happened. I don't know why. If you guys out there can explain it, please tell me. But it was just about to go over the bit it's never been over before, and then it stopped, turned around and went backwards by itself. How is that even possible? I have no idea. The controller I was using was a Hornby Select, but I found they go a little bit crazy sometimes. So anyway, check the video out now.
Okay, this day has finally come. This will be the first complete run of the track. I've not tested the whole thing together. This is the first time I've tried it. Let's see how it goes. Was not expecting that. I have no idea why that happened. Okay. That happened. Interesting.
So yeah, that was the first try, but the second try, we did it. Come on. Here was the moment I was so excited. I don't show my emotions very well, but in the video you hear me get a bit excited. I was actually jumping over the moon inside and enjoying it. So here it is, people. Watch the track, the train, the engine go around the complete lap of the track. Here it is. Enjoy, people. Enjoy.
Okay, we're going to try again. Complete lap! Oh my gosh, we did it! It's a complete lap. Get in the bag. We have continuous running trains. The noise does freak me out a little bit when it goes over the bridge. I'm not sure what noise that was. That sounded like sparks, but that's kind of crazy. But it's running. That's 2 laps. In the back.
Well, there you go. It happened. The only way is up now. The only way is up. So, guys, I look forward to the next video. The next video will be, hopefully, I'm planning to have a camera video going around the track. So, we're going to make a little camera train and you can have a driver's eye view of going around our track on in the man cave. I just realised I don't have a name for the track yet. If anyone's got any ideas for names of the track, put them out there and we'll have them. So, thank you very much. Enjoy. See you next month. Bye bye.
Okay, perhaps the track needs some cleaning.